these bolts out. Got this nub that it was on too, kind of pain in the butt to get off, but so it's just the 3 screws and that nub. We're going to take this vent hose off, and then the bolt, take the tank out so we can reach this bolt over here for this mount, and all the hardware for this mount to take it off to get access to the top. Take out these 4 bolts. So I got this out, right? It's you know, all the 4 bolts are out. I'm gonna take and push these clamps out to get the wire out of the way. I've halfway taken these off. Those are gonna come off, and then we'll come back. I mentioned I took out the contacts. So they have a 10mm bolt, and you just pull them out after you take off each one of these. You just squeeze right here. And this guy as well is stuck in there. You can pull that out. Also zip tie the wire bundle back to kind of give us some room. So before I take this valve cover off, I want to spray with air. So I put these back in to make sure nothing goes in. You know, obviously got that on. I put the breather hoses back on. The spray it off, just kind of get some of this debris off so it doesn't fall in when I take the valve cover off. So we got everything off, right? Got this clamp, clip for the wiring bundle. Got that guy stuff off. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took a hammer and lightly knocked it on the sides to kind of break it loose, but try not to take anything metal to pry it up with. But you're gonna have some gasket maker in the corners at least. All right, got it pretty clean. Might clean that up a little bit more. Just make sure it's dry, and we're going to apply a little bit of gasket maker to each one of these corners. One I have is it's good to go in 90 minutes, so technically we shouldn't start it up until 90 minutes. All right, here we go. So really just the sharp corners. We don't want to get too close into here. Once you put this valve cover and gasket on, make sure you don't take it back off. If you do, you need to clean everything back up and reapply the gaskets to it. Make sure your gasket is seated fully. If not, you potentially have issues. Alright, everything's torqued. We're going to go reverse order. Hoses, clamps, mount. Make sure you put some dielectric grease in there. Alright, coil packs in with dielectric grease. 62 inch-pounds. Got the clamp put back in the mount right there. Hose, mount. Got these pushed back in. One over there, one over there. Got this one pushed back in with the grounds. And then the 4 mount bolts. All right, put the cover on. Wait 90 minutes from the time you put the gasket sealer on. Turn it on, make sure there's no leaks. That's all she wrote. Let me know if you got any questions. Make sure you like the video, subscribe. Thanks.